Now we will solve question number 5. In this particular question, it has been said there is a prism of angle of prism equals to 30 degree and one of the refracting side is being mirrored, right, from the by polishing it outside, right. So, an angle of a light focuses incident at this particular point. Let us say this is my angle of incidence and this is my angle of refraction at the first refracting surface. Now, after it passes or after it enters this monochromatic ray of light, after it enters to the prism, it goes and hit this mirror and it retraces its own path. It means that R2, the second angle of refraction, the value of R2 will be 0, and we know angle of prism can be written as angle R1 plus angle R2. Now, as this particular angle is 0, so the value of R2 is equals to 0 and we have to find out at what angle of incidence this particular phenomena happens, that is it retraces its own path. So, to obtain the condition or to obtain the value of angle of incidence, first of all we have to do the R2 is 0. Now, we know the angle of prism, so angle R1 will be equals to angle of prism is equals to 30 degree, right. Now, refractive index of this prism is given, that is root 2. So, we can write what? Sin I by sin R1 is equals to root 2, right. Now, what is sin R1? So, sin I will be equals to sin of R1 into root 2, that is sin of 30 degree into root 2, that is sin 30 degree means half into root 2. So, this gets cancels and we will get sin of angle of incidence is equals to 1 upon root 2, right. So, what is the value of angle of incidence? I equals to 45 degree, right. So, the correct option is option 4.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.